This course will follow the development of a simple geography quiz game using OpenLayers. So here's our simple game, Catch the Hacker. When the player clicks the start button, they're presented with a clue as to the hacker's whereabouts, and the countdown starts. The player has to find the hacker before the time runs out, or the hacker's going to get away. Incidentally, I really wanted to make this game Catch the Pirate, but I didn't have a good pirate icon handy, so I had to stick with the hacker. So, the clue states that the hacker was recently seen taking pictures of the British Crown Jewels. You may know that the Crown Jewels are located somewhere in London, so we'll begin our search there by zooming in using OpenLayers' built-in zoom controls. You may also know that the Crown Jewels are actually located in the Tower of London, which is located on the north bank of the River Thames. So we'll continue to zoom in, getting a little bit closer each time. There's Tower Hill. Zoom in a little further. There's the Tower of London. Continue to zoom in. There's the hacker, and we click, and we caught the hacker. If only all crimes were so easily solved. The Catch the Hacker project doesn't tap into every cool feature available with OpenLayers, and let me tell you, there are a lot of cool features available in OpenLayers. But it does give you a good starting point by covering some core topics such as displaying a map using third-party data, adding your own custom features to the map, and adding interactivity to the map, things like zooming in and out, panning, and handling mouse clicks. These concepts will give you a good start on creating your own maps, and the OpenLayers website has an excellent collection of examples showcasing all the other things you can do with the library. Let's take a few seconds to look at the prerequisites for this course. I'm going to assume that you're familiar with the concepts in the non-OpenLayers portions of the project code, things like HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript concepts such as traversing the DOM and selecting elements, referencing and updating object properties, and creating simple timers. Timers are not required for any of the OpenLayers specific code. They're only used in the project for keeping track of how long you have left to catch the hacker. So if you're not familiar with timers, don't sweat it. If any of the other concepts seem foreign to you, you might want to brush up on one of the excellent introductory web development courses available at Pluralsight before taking this course. Or if you're like me, just take the source code and change a piece you don't understand and see what happens. I think that's one of the best ways to learn. Notice that a prior knowledge of mapping is not listed here. We're going to cover everything you need to know about mapping in the next module, so don't be worried if you slept through geography in school. We'll also look at where to find free data that you can use to create your own maps.